Performance livery. And right behind it is the M2CS. The M2CS is basically the car of the show right now. It's got the gold 763M rims, carbon ceramic rotors with the gold calipers. Wow. It's also got the carbon fiber side mirror caps. The side gills are still in matte though, but definitely something to finish. It's got the carbon roof. Only the M2CS has this. It's got the M2CS ducktail. It's also got a new finish compared to the one made for the M2 competition. It's got the M Performance rear diffuser and the M Performance exhaust.
And for the interior, we have it in full Alcantara. So as you can see, the center console is filled with it and it has the CS logo. The seats as well are quite different.
It's got the M stitching right here.
And it has a more aggressive look to it. And also the steering wheel. It has a 12 o'clock red stitching. Yeah, beautiful. It also has an adaptive suspension where you can switch how hard you want the ride to be.
And if you come to the front, you will see that the front splitter is quite different from the M Performance one that we have.
As you can see, the one on ours doesn't stick out as much as compared to this one. It sticks out for about an inch. And also the hood is in full carbon fiber as well.
So M2CS comes in a 444 horsepower and a 406 pound-feet of torque, while the M2 competition comes with 410 horsepower. So that's the difference. They're tuned differently, but exactly the same motor.
And the M2CS does 0 to 100 in 4 seconds, while the M2 competition does it in 4.2 seconds.
I think that right here we have our M2 competition. We spec'd it out exactly how the M2 competition and M Performance pack looks. It's got the M livery all around. This color is Hockenheim silver, so it's similar to the one Jerk Collector had before. It's also got the Remus with active autowork exhaust. We added the 763M rims. It's in matte black. It comes the same way as the M2CS, except this has a different color to it. Also got the Cup Sport 2s, 245 and 265 in the rear. It's got the carbon fiber winglets. And the difference about this competition and the M2CS would be the M2CS has adaptive suspension. This does not have. Our car also does not have the carbon roof. Although it's an option, it's also got the carbon fiber wing. Yes, so it also comes in these painted M stripes. So this is a very good accent to it.
So the other stuff we have here in Ceramic Pro is the brand new Porsche 992 Carrera. And then we have a 488 Spider. And the Ferrari Portofino.
There we have the BMW X5 heading out. You've got the Vossen rims. And here's the F80 M3 with carbon ceramic brakes. It's also got the stick shift, so not a lot of M3s in that spec here in the Philippines. This is the M2 competition. Turner Motorsport carbon fiber ducktail. It's got the Remus exhaust. We're changing those rims to HREs, satin bronze R101 lightweights. Stay tuned. It's also got the Auto Technique side mirror caps and a GTS hood. We're still debating whether we're going to have it wrapped in a satin finish. It's also got the M Performance front diffuser.
Over here, we have an M5.
So if you come see the front end of this car, you've got the V10 motor, something BMW discontinued. It's a Lamborghini Evo. It's got a V10 motor as well.
Then right behind it, we also have a 5 Series
M Sport.
and M Sport. Yeah, so it's a BMW kind of day here in Ceramic
It's a
Pro.
BMW M Day here in Ceramic Pro.
With Tim and Mr. Lawrence Ngo. This is Lawrence's Lexus ES, which he plans to wide body in the near future.
FI exhaust here.
If all of you are wondering how good of a driver Lawrence
That's
is,
my driver, not
Mr.
me.
Lawrence.
Not me. That's my driver who did it.
Wow! Look at that! Nangangalawang na!
That's my driver who did it.
Is he it?
And
Is he
also one more, we're gonna add a picture of how the tires of his M2 competition looks like.
it was wrecked. The sidewall broke.